New at 5, the mother of the Oxford High School shooter who's been convicted of involuntary manslaughter asking a judge to throw out her conviction 10 months later. I've been reading court filings and hearing from both sides involved in this matter. Attorney Michael Desi, who represents Jennifer Crumbley, arguing prosecutors withheld evidence related to the November 2021 mass shooting that killed 4 students and left several others wounded at Oxford High. Specifically, Desi referencing agreements 2 school employees signed before giving testimony. Now, he also says that blame should rest with the school district for not requiring the shooter to be sent home immediately upon discovering horrific violent drawings depicting a shooting that preceded the tragedy. I asked Jennifer Crumbley's attorney for his response to the prosecution telling us 24 jurors unanimously agreed to guilty verdicts for both parents.
For those who see this and ask, why should Jennifer Crumbley be released? What's your answer?
People don't have any legal duty to prevent other people from committing crimes. That is the law. That has been the law in Michigan as well as every other state. That has been the law for hundreds of years.
24 jurors all reached the same conclusion in the matter of Jennifer and James Crumbley. What do you say to that?
The jury was deprived of key evidence that could have made a difference to the verdict.
I also received a statement from the prosecutor, part of which reads, quote, "No witnesses were given anything for their testimony and there was no immunity." It goes on to say the facts showing that parents here were actively involved in their son's mental state going untreated, that they provided him with the weapon used to kill the victims, and that they refused to remove him from the situation that led directly to the shootings. And Whitney, this was an historic case. Obviously, we know the first time that parents were charged and convicted like this in connection with a mass shooting.
Yeah, I was in court a few of those days during the proceedings. It was incredibly interesting to hear some of the facts that are coming out. What happens next after this?
Yeah, we've been told that there's a period of just under 2 months where the judge will have to respond and reach some kind of a decision. We'll be tracking what happens in court and keeping you updated.
All right, Simon, thank you.